What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and good evening. Except if you're from the United States, then it's probably good afternoon, good morning maybe on the West Coast. I'm not quite sure, but it's good to have you all here. It's a little bit later for me. I've been busy the whole day with moving, so still in this evening I wanted to take a look at some tokens such as Optimism. Obviously one of the biggest gainers over the last week. Is it in the top 100? Yes, it is. It has doubled its value over the last 7 days, which probably was more of in the last 3 days. So this is 7 days, but this all happened a little bit quicker than that. Right now, there's still a lot of momentum in the price. Volume has dropped down a little bit. It's still 1.5 times the market cap at 600 million. I like to cover Optimism. I covered it a lot beginning of June when it just launched. I think it's a great project. I'm not sure the OP token is a great hold for the long term because of the inflation, but it could be. I mean, most tokens have inflation, and if the project is actually good enough to sustain that inflation, it could be a good hold. Even though right now for a bear market, I think it's a little overvalued. That doesn't change anything for my short-term price analysis on it, which essentially is what we're doing in this video. But yeah, I mean, I just wanted to throw that out there. I'm not quite sure why. This was my last analysis on OP token. You can always look that up if you don't trust me. I said that we would drop down, find support at 1.5, break above 1.75, and then get up to that target between 1.95 and $2, which is exactly what we did. So that was great. Usually I'm not right like that. All right. I'd like to believe I'm right more than I'm wrong, and that I definitely that most of my analysis at least makes sense. I don't always predict as accurately as that, but still, let's just get to the update. So for now, the main thing with Optimism is that the next price target really is right here between 2.25 and the Fibonacci level at 2.32. That's the main resistance level. So can we reach that? Yes, I do think we can reach that, but what we would need to do that is stay above this level at 1.62 cents. If we can stay above 1.62 cents and Bitcoin actually gets one more last big move up to 25,000 or 25,500, then I think Optimism can break above 1.95. I don't even think we need to break above $2. I think 1.95 is the main resistance level. And if we break above that, we're going up to 2.25. All right. And that's also kind of like a small psychological resistance level, which becomes stronger in bull runs like this. All right. Psychological levels always become stronger in bull runs because people just want to have a price they can feel comfortable with. And you're not going to set your sell limit at 2.17. You might do it at 2.2, but 2.25 is a stronger psychological level. So I think this is going to happen if we can retain this relatively bullish market, relatively over the last month, obviously not over the last months. And if we can stay above 1.62 cents, and that's the most important thing, because if we drop down to 1.5, then I practically think it's over. Then we're just going to consolidate on top of 1.5 and drop down lower towards 1.3 and 1.15 later. All right, so there's a lot at stake here, but that was my analysis on OP. So if you do have any questions about anything I said or about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. I'll always be happy to explain it or to talk about it with all of you. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.